Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing a review video on this Khadi product. This is Khadi Rose and Papaya. So let's get into the video. First of all, I just used it on my face and this is how my face looks like. I didn't use any makeup. I just applied my lip balm and kajal, and I'm not gonna tell you how it feels like because you people will not watch it till the end. So yeah, this Khadi is an Indian brand which is like 100% herbal, and you can find this on Amazon, Jabong and other Indian online sites. Coming back to this packaging, this is how it looks like. It has very like steely, rusty kind of I really love this packaging. It has a lid opening which is very good, and I really like the packaging because I don't have any face packs or scrubs in these kind of packaging, which is very peculiar. I really love it, and it also has different kind of stickers on it, and Khadi Rose and Papaya Herbal Face Scrub, and backside you'll find all the ingredients. Like it has papaya extract, rose water, apricot and walnut shell, almond oil, wheat gram oil, jojoba oil and glycerin. And the benefits are like it removes impurities efficiently and gently polishes skin, protects skin moisture, balance with a blend of beneficial essential oils, gently and efficiently removes dead skin, leaving your face sparkling fresh, pure and deep cleansed, thus unclogging your pores. This Khadi papaya and rose herbal face scrub, this is 50 grams and it retails for 100 rupees. Like I really love this product, and I've been using this product for almost like 2 to 2.5 months, and I still have a lot of product in it. And coming to this fragrance, oh my god, this fragrance, it is like so sweet. Sometimes I feel like eating it, but no, you can't eat this product. It has rose smell, and you can also smell papaya, as it claims it is a papaya herbal face scrub. Papaya, which is like not overpowering, like few people don't like papaya smell, so it is very good for people like who don't want to have the papaya smell and still want to use papaya face scrub. So you can go for this. This is very good, and it has very papaya, undertones of papaya fragrance, and it do smells really good, sweet, and I really love the fragrance of this product. I usually use this product once in 4 days. It does feel very soft, smooth, and it does make your skin moisturized, and I really feel so good after using this scrub. I really you can feel your skin so good. I really love how it feels, and as it claims, it does moisturize your skin, and it also removes all your dead skins and make it fresh and glowing. And this this has very creamy texture, which has very teeny granules of like how this apricot and walnut. So yeah, it is very creamy in texture and it is very good. So I really love this Khadi Rose and Papaya Herbal Face Scrub. You can use this after cleaning your face, like washing your face. You can just rub it and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, and again rinse it with cold or warm water as you like, and you will see like how your skin feels. I'm done with my product review like Khadi Rose and Papaya, and I really love this product. And you can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. I'll be leaving all the links below in the description box. Subscribe to my channel, comment for more suggestions, give it a thumbs up. I love you all. Take care. Bye.